Hi there. Today we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting rational expressions once again. In the examples that we are looking at today, we're going to need to factor our denominator in order to figure out what we need to multiply by in order to get a common denominator. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here you see we've got two rational expressions that we want to add together, and obviously our denominators are not the same, so we need to factor these out in order to figure out what we need in order to get a common denominator. So if I factor x squared plus 5x plus 6, that's going to give me x plus 2, x plus 3. I still have the 2 on top, that's not going to change yet. And over here, I want to factor my denominator as well. And if I factor this out, I should get x plus 3, x plus 6. So, last time we looked at these, I always talked about we need to multiply by whatever it is we're missing. Well, if we see everything that we have total down here, then we see we have an x plus 2, we have an x plus 3, and we also have an x plus 6. We basically have 3 things total. The x plus 3, even though it's in both of these, we're not going to count it twice, we're just going to count it once. So the denominator should look like x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 6. Now, in this first one right here, I'm missing the x plus 6, so I have to multiply both the top and the bottom by the x plus 6 in order to get the common denominator. So I've already multiplied the denominator by the x plus 6, but I need to multiply the numerator by the x plus 6 as well. So I'm going to multiply 2 times by x plus 6. So I get 2x plus 12 here. So I multiplied both the top and the bottom by the x plus 6. In the second expression over here, I'm missing my x plus 2. So I need to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus 2. Denominators can be the same as we have over here. In the numerator, I'm just going to multiply x plus 2 times by 4. So x times 4 is 4x, and 2 times 4 is 8. So now I have these two rational expressions with a common denominator. And to avoid everything getting cramped, I'm going to go ahead and put this on my next slide. So this is exactly what I had at the bottom of the last slide, and I'm just going to finish solving this out. We've done most of the hard work here, and now we just need to add together. So I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to have 2x plus 4x, which is 6x, and then I'm going to have 12 plus 8, which is 20. And if you remember, when we add and subtract, our denominator is going to stay the same. So now, all we need to do is we need to factor our numerator to see if anything cancels. And something may not cancel, but we want to factor our numerator anyway, so it's in simplest form. We see we can divide both 6 and 20 by 2. And when we do this, we're going to get 3x plus 10. Once again, the denominator is going to stay exactly the same. So since there's nothing here that will cancel, I'm going to make this to a little darker first. So since we see there's nothing here that will cancel, this is our final answer. There's nothing else we can do with this. And we're done.